Hello, in this video I will show you to germinate these rose seed. So how to collect the rose seeds. So these are the dried rose flower. So flower was here, it's already gone, and now you can see the just below of this one it's like a big bulb. So I have broken one of them, and then you can see very tiny small bulb seeds are there inside here. So let me cut this one. Can use knife, or they are really hard right now. So if I will open this one, you can see here this has a really nice seed, this one. So I will take it out. And I will use this paper towel and then a Ziploc bag to germinate them. Just keep this into cover like this one and see if I have another seed here. So this has only one seed. Let's open the another one. So make a small cut and then see. I'm trying this first time to germinate seeds. I think this is the another one. Oops. Yeah, this one. So let's put another one here. Same way I will try to get as many as I can from these bulbs. I cannot see any one here. You have to be careful, it's a very sharp. Some spines are here. Yeah, I think this also have good seed. No. Anyway, we'll try use only these two so far. I got only these two seeds, and just I have taken some water here, and then I will add a little bit hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. So this one, to make a mixture of this water. So H2O2, this hydrogen peroxide is used to avoid any fungal growth. So what we have to do, just add this water on this one. It's very simple method, and then you can see they got some water, make it like a towel, and then keep it in the Ziploc. I will keep this in some dry and warm place, and it will take, I think, 1 week or 2 weeks, and then after that we'll show you how they are germinating. Okay, we'll check after some time. I would like to show you one more thing, that when I open the other bulb, like this one, you can see, and I noticed there are many small seeds. So I'm confused whether this is the bigger one have the seed or this is small one. So I'm collecting both of them here. So you can see if you will take this this bulb like this one and then cut in from the center like this one. They are really dried. I just picked them from today from the flower plants, and then you can see there are so many hairy seeds are here, so I would like to keep those also in case they might have real seeds. So I don't know the variety of this flower, rose flower. So I have two big one, you can see, and then these are all small. So we'll just add some water in it. Excuse me. And then close this. So here you can see how this look like. We'll put it back into the ziplock and we'll keep this into dark and moist. It's already moisture is there. I'll keep this in the dark place and then we'll check after some time. Thanks.